Welcome to the future of mobile gaming. The 2026 lineup showcases unprecedented dedication to performance, thermal management, and AI integration. We've moved far beyond simple high refresh rates. These are specialized gaming machines and hybrid powerhouses, each defining a unique segment of the market. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra continues its legacy as the ultimate professional and gaming hybrid, leveraging the Snapdragon 8 Elite fast processor for top-tier speed without sacrificing its camera prowess. It features an advanced AI night mode camera system and is powered by a reliable 5,000 mAh battery. What sets the S25 Ultra apart is its integrated productivity suite, anchored by the built-in S Pen, making it the indispensable tool for creative professionals, students, and gamers who demand flagship features across the board. The titanium, silver blue finish, and robust US 1-year warranty round out a package that balances raw power with sophisticated everyday utility. The Redmagic 10 Air is focused entirely on delivering the cleanest visual experience possible. Its 6.8-inch FHD plus 120Hz display is flawless, thanks to the pioneering use of an under-display camera, UDC, eliminating the notch or punch hole entirely. This dedication to immersion is backed by strong performance specs, 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage, and a large 5,860 mAh battery supported by 80-watt charging, ensuring the screen stays lit for hours. The 10 Air is the choice for players who prioritize uninterrupted screen real estate and fast, fluid visuals above all else. The XIAOMI Poco X7 PRO 5G targets the globally connected gamer seeking a high-value performance device. Offering a generous 512GB storage and 12GB RAM, paired with a 6.67-inch 50-megapixel display, it delivers excellent specs for its segment. Its primary value proposition is its versatility, supporting 5G plus 4G LTE for T-Mobile, Mint, Tello, and global networks, along with dual SIM capability. This phone is the practical, powerful choice for the international traveler or the budget-conscious gamer who still demands high-end features like NFC and a 50-megapixel camera. The Redmagic 11 Pro is engineered for competitive dominance, built around the powerful combination of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 Plus and the dedicated Redmagic Redcore R4 coprocessor. This architecture, coupled with up to 24GB of RAM and 1TB storage, ensures zero compromise on performance. The headline feature is the reinforced Redmagic AquaCore cooling system, marking the world's first mass-produced liquid-cooled smartphone, a technology critical for maintaining peak frame rates in extended sessions. Powering this beast is a massive 7,500 mAh battery supporting 80-watt fast wireless charging for marathon gaming. The experience is completed by the BOE X10 full-screen AMOLED, 520Hz shoulder triggers, and smart features like Google Gemini and Redmagic AI input, all integrated within the polished Redmagic OS 11.0. The ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro maintains its position as a dedicated hardware-focused gaming machine, known for its extensive accessory ecosystem and ergonomic enhancements. With 512GB storage and 16GB RAM, it provides ample resources for demanding titles. ASUS focuses on its proprietary global version architecture, specifically catering to serious gamers who value highly optimized inputs, like enhanced air triggers and side-mounted ports for comfortable landscape play. This device is for the user deeply invested in the ROG gaming world. The 2026 market is segmented by innovation. Redmagic dominates sustained performance with liquid cooling, Samsung leads the productivity/AI hybrid segment, and the other contenders focus on display immersion, global connectivity, or ecosystem integration. Gamers now have the luxury of choosing a phone that perfectly aligns with their specific priorities, whether it's raw power, professional utility, or ultimate visual cleanliness.